The ability for a family to be proud and accomplish something that they couldn't have done alone. The ability for a community to join with them in that effort is just untouchable as far as I'm concerned.
As a family, we had 2 children in the same bedroom, and it was really small, and I wanted them to be able to play outside, and they couldn't play outside where we were.
Right now I live in a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's me and my 2 daughters. But now that they're starting to get older, there's not really much space for their bedroom because their bedroom has the washer and dryer, and then trying to keep like a space for them to play and have beds is kind of not working out. They pretty much have to play in the front room.
They educate you so that you'll be ready to take over a home. Everything from how to plant grass seed, when to do it, to time management, money management.
Also, they had construction classes so that we'll know what we're doing while we're actually on the job site.
We raise the money to build the home, and all of the expenses are paid for in that, and then we provide a 20-year zero-interest mortgage. And that makes the affordability go way up. And then when a family makes their house payments, it's actually recycling that kindness back. So I like to tell donors that when they give money to build a Habitat home, that gift just recycles numerous times over. It's a beautiful thing.
Well, for our 40th anniversary, my wife suggested, why don't we donate a Habitat house or sponsor or whatever you want to call it. And so I thought a little bit, and I thought, well, it's a lot of money, but if my wife is supporting this, I had been volunteering with a young man. I just fell in love with the guy. He was such a hard worker, so pleasant to work with, and he just was trying to make a better life for his family. We became good friends. When we decided to build a Habitat house, I knew that he was working on his sweat equity, and I called Linda and said, is there any chance that we might be able to sponsor the house for Enrique and his wife and family? And it turned out that that was a possibility, and I felt very good about that. It's been a couple of years, and last summer I was working on a house, a block or so from his home, and I was up on the roof. Turns out he was volunteering on a house across the street, saw me and came over, and we had a wonderful conversation, and I just really admired him, and I thought, this is the reason I volunteer with Habitat.
I'd like to thank them all and let them know that they really mean a lot to everybody that's in the program, because without them, there wouldn't really be much of a program.
Oh, I'd like to say I love you. You guys are wonderful.
They could have been doing something else or doing something for themselves, but instead they came out to help us out.
They make you feel like you can really do something, and it's because we're all working together, I think.
It doesn't make any difference whether you're the president of the bank or you're the Habitat homeowner that's never had owned a home before. We're all equal out there.
I would encourage people to go out on the build site and learn how to do the things yourself. I didn't know how to hold a hammer correctly, but when I left the build site, I'm gonna tell you that I was able to go up on a roof and put on shingles.
The construction I love doing. It's fun, and even if you don't know what you're doing, they'll walk you through it, and they crack jokes a lot and stuff, so that makes it fun.
And while you're doing it, you're thinking, boy, I hope I'm doing this right, because I want that person's house to be as nice as it can be. Because I know they had to work as hard as I'm working. And knowing that somebody else is gonna be my neighbor who lives in this house, that was exciting. Some of the houses in my neighborhood, I've worked on them.
I wish everybody in Wichita could come out and stand and watch what we see time and again of a family who has picked up that hammer, attended those classes, worked so hard to hit the point that they are now putting their key in that door and cutting the ribbon on their door, and that pride. I've watched it happen 84 times. I cry every time.
Oh, it was so exciting. It just felt wonderful. It was like stepping across the threshold of your future.
stepping across that threshold makes it real. It's no longer a dream.
It means that people see it as a starting place to go forward in their life. They're no longer on that cycle of just trying to catch up.
I can afford all my bills. It's awesome. It makes me feel really special. It felt like everything I worked for was worth it.
One of our families was talking about the difference it made, and she said, my kids don't have to be embarrassed when they come home. And she didn't brag on their pride, but I think it is that pride. They've finally got something that's really nice that they don't have to be ashamed of. And suddenly they have that pride in themselves, and that drives them to do better.
It is a grounded feeling that if I can accomplish this, and if people in this community believe enough in me that they will put their money up to help this house be a reality, that they'll pick up their hammers, total strangers, and build a house, that I'm worthy and I'm worth something, and I really can go forward in my life.
Oh, I just wonder what else I'll be able to do. Because if I put myself with the right people, I can do a lot.
We have great plans for the future, but we know our plans can only be achieved with the support that we've had from the community and how that would continue to enable us. Because we know that we're just a hub of passion and enthusiasm and inviting others to join us on that journey.
I feel like we're really making a difference. It is a life-changing experience for our families, and really it is for our volunteers. The pleasure of working with such a good organization, but the families, by the time they've gone through the process of earning a home, it has been a life-changing experience, and it's easy to see what the improvements in their lives that will go on for generations.
Have a whole different life now. I really love that.